Now, a 10 News Morning Original. New reporting first at 6.
As you know, navigating the pandemic can be stressful for anyone, but especially for pregnant women and new parents already dealing with major changes. This is one of the issues that we're looking into as part of our new series, The Rebound. 10 News reporter Jared Aarons shows us how hospital workers are doing everything they can to make sure parents are safe before, during, and after baby comes.
Alexis Avina gave birth to her son, Luca, on April 1st, right in the middle of the coronavirus.
Knowing about the risks was nerve-wracking, anxiety-inducing, but on the other hand, I'm one of those people that the more I know, the more I actually am soothed by information.
Doctors and nurses at Sharp Mary Birch Hospital flooded Avina with information, starting more than a month before birth. It's part of what they're doing to help patients through the coronavirus. Since mid-March, 950 babies have been born at the hospital.
Unfortunately, it's still very stressful. These parents have envisioned a certain experience and certain people and certain circumstances for the birth of their child. And that looks very, very different today.
Doctor's appointments in the months directly before and after birth are restricted to one parent. They've also moved prenatal classes online and offer virtual tours of the entire hospital. During the birth, only one additional family member is allowed in the visiting room, and strict screening, mask, and sanitation guidelines are in place.
I think the most important thing is that their care, the safety of the delivery, the safety of their newborn has not changed at all. 0%.
As for the hectic months following a birth, emails, phone calls, and telehealth visits are available 24/7. And the hospital is keeping their New Beginnings boutique open for in-person visits to help any new parent with supplies, support, and advice.
And then enter the New Beginnings boutique and get as much help in person as they need, as well as renting a breast pump or a baby weigh scale and purchasing any breastfeeding items they need.
For Alexis and her family, it's been stressful, but they've kept it all in perspective.
It's not worth it to get too worked up over not having any control, because you probably didn't have any control before COVID.
When it comes to reopening, Sharp Mary Birch says they will follow all of the county's guidelines, but even then, they're still going to offer a lot of services online for any families who may feel uncomfortable going to a hospital. Jared Aarons, 10 News.
And doctors also say they're worried that all of this isolation could lead to an increase in postpartum depression. So they're saying anyone who experiences symptoms should call a doctor right away. Megan?